It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Hello, it is Layle with Layle by Mail. And you guys, it is one of my most favorite times of the year because it involves one of my most favorite projects kits of the year. And that is the Document Your December Layle by Mail project kit. So this kit is loaded. Oh my gosh, you guys, with so many cute, fun things. I've mixed products from 4 or 5 different manufacturers, and it truly is an album that I think you'll look back on for years to come. So let's take a look at the completed project. So what I did with the kit, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. Now, as always, the Layle by Mail kits include all of the product that you need to complete the project, as well as the color step-by-step instructions. So you know exactly what you're doing as you are putting it together. So we are using the Simple Stories red and white striped binder, so very festive. That is a 6x8 binder. Actually, the outside's larger than 6x8, but fits 6x8 pages. So as we open up, lots of fun things in the intro here, the fun library card and pockets. You can do a little bit of journaling there about your album. Then we move into the days of December. So as always, I do 25 days of December, and if you wanted to do more than that, you could. There's an extra product in the kit that you could kind of piece together the additional 6 days after the 25th. Okay, so starting out with day 1, the 2x2 pocket page. Lots of open pockets and room for 2x2 photos. I also have a YouTube video where I have shown you how to very easily print 2x2 photos. Day 2, so many fun things in this kit. Lots of pockets and tags. The gold thickers. I had to incorporate those in the kit, so you'll see those used all throughout the kit. A little no peeking there, room for lots of photos. So always lots of interactive elements with things that open and close and fold and flip. A little pocket here to add extra photos. A cut-off pocket, so I do a little bit with cutting your pocket pages. Little tab there, room for journaling in your little tag. Deck the halls, so knowing that a lot of us decorate for the holidays, I have left a couple of different pages to cover your decorations. A really fun 6x8 pocket page that's broken out into 2x2 squares. And what I'm suggesting on this is either taking a 6x8 photo, one photo, and cutting it up into your little 2x2 squares, or you could even do 2 4x6 photos and then cut those up into 2x2. So a scenery, a Christmas tree, maybe Christmas lights would be really great on a page like that. And then we have the back side. There's another little flip with room for journaling in both of those pockets. More tags that pull out. Loved this one. We're making a tree there with the product strips from a number of the papers in the kit. Little tags that are interactive, leaving room for lots of photos. More pockets. This little guy has a fold out. So lots of really room for tons and tons of photos to document your memories during the month of December. Now, if you are not documenting day by day, you don't have to do that. You can just remove the numbers. The numbers are very easy to not include in the kit. So this little guy, those tuck into that little pocket there, but that would be a great way to take a number of 3x4 photos and string them all together, tie them in that little bow, and pop them in that pocket. A little flip there. It just kind of keeps going and going and going. This I have designed for letters to Santa, but it could be, really anything that you wanted. You could tuck letters in there if you liked, or photos. Same thing on the back side, room for lots of photos or letters or receipts. Little guy that folds up there. More photos. I have used some stickles, 2 different colors of stickles. Not included in the kit, but I include those in the supply list if you want to do something like that. But you can kind of see it gives you a very good feel for that little shimmer. Isn't that fun? With just the stickles glitter glue that you could purchase separately. Then as we wrap up, the 25th is one of my favorite days. Well, because it's Christmas, but also in the project or in the kit because it opens up and then opens up again. So knowing that you take lots and lots of photos on Christmas Day, you have room for lots and lots of photos there. And then something that I've added this year, I haven't done this before, but at the very end, kind of a top 10 memories of the month. So you could add lists in here of your top 10 memories of the month, lists and or photos in there. And there you have it. So that is what the kit makes. Super full already without any photos even. All right, so let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So the kit starts with the 6x8 album from Simple Stories. You have pocket pages. There are 2 each of 5 different configurations for a total of 10 pocket pages. These thickers that I referenced, so you have 2 6x12 sheets of those gold thickers. Something new I've also included this year in this year's kit is a 8.5 by 11 sheet of printables. These are cut aparts that you can cut out and use all throughout the project, and those are exclusive to the kit this year. And then, oh my gosh, tons of paper. So let's look at some of these papers. Isn't that fun with the gold foil accents? Trees on the back. Another one with gold foil accents, little light blue stars in the back, a beautiful red plaid, and then this, isn't that so pretty? That kind of vintagey pattern. And then there are actually 2 sheets of this guy, and this is the lined notebook paper, one of my favorites from Simple Stories, and that beautiful wood grain on the backside, so we use that twice. This great paper from Fancy Pants. So happy to see Fancy Pants back at it again. These great 3x4 cut aparts from Pebbles. And I love this on the back, that word paper. Isn't that great? And this gorgeous paper from My Mind's Eye. Super, super thick, actually. These 2 papers were also My Mind's Eye as well. And then just a nice, really neutral stripe on the back. There's the second sheet of that lined notebook paper, wood grain that I talked about. And then this, one of my favorites. That is that beautiful vintage paper from Simple Stories Country Christmas that has the Christmas tree there. And then another great plaid. And then this really fun, bright, cheery floral with just a really great green polka dot neutral on the backside. All right, so those are the papers. Now let's take a look at what else is in the kit. Okay, you guys, this, when I saw this from My Mind's Eye, I was so excited. It's an advent calendar kit. But we're not making an advent calendar with it, right? We are using it for our project, obviously our Document Your December. But it's perfect because it has 25 different pockets, and we're using some of those that we will assemble. 25 tags, so greens and reds and whites and pinks and mints. And then this is where we're getting all of our numbers for the kit. So there are die cuts. There are stickers. There's even a couple of chipboard numbers, so chipboard in there as well. Then we have this ginormous bag of die cuts from Fancy Pants. You guys, I didn't even count, but I bet you there's at least 75 die cuts in this bag, if not more. So we use, you know what, actually, you guys, I think I used all but maybe 5 of those. So there are a few left over that you could add if you wanted, but we really make great use of those die cuts. A library pocket. So this is self-adhesive. We're going to adhere that right to the inside front cover for our journaling. Now that advent calendar kit also includes 4 yards, I think, of that baker's twine. So we use a lot of that, but you have a ton left over. Some gold paper clips. And then a couple of little miscellaneous goodies. A gold star pin, a little clear tab, this little guy that we're just using for the cover to back our 19. And then this, another one of my favorites from the kit, but this wired ribbon. Isn't that fun? And that's what we used on the cover. So there you have it. That is the Layle by Mail Document Your December, or December Documented project kit for 2019. This is now available on my website at laylebymail.com, and it starts shipping the week of September 23rd, 2019. All the details that you need for ordering the kit are in the description of the video. Merry Christmas, very, very early because it's mid-September right now. But you have the kit in time to get the entire book prepped, just like I did. So I am now ready to go on December 1st. So on December 1st, I'll add a couple photos, maybe a journaling or two, and then I am off and running. And I will do my best to keep up to date throughout the month, doing each day as each day passes. I will also be showing my progress on my Instagram account at Layle Konkar each day, showing you what I have done to complete my page for the day each day of December. All right, friends, thanks so much for watching, and we'll chat soon. Bye-bye.